Hey guys, Jonathan here from TechMajesty.com. Before I start, I want to ask you guys to please subscribe and like the video because it really helps us out. Today, I'll be showing you how to unlock any Xfinity mobile iPhone instantly using the TechMajesty SIM in 3 easy steps. I'm going to show you this on the iPhone X, but this method will work on all other iPhone models such as the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, 6, 6 Plus, the iPhone 5S, 5C, and the 5, including any new upcoming iPhone models as well. So, the TechMajesty SIM will unlock your phone regardless of any outstanding balances, financing, blacklist status, contracts, etc. With this solution, you can instantly use your phone with any GSM carrier worldwide. All you need in order to unlock the phone is the TechMajesty SIM and your new carrier SIM card. So, let's begin. The first thing you will need is the TechMajesty SIM. I will show you now where to get it. So, let's go on the computer and open the internet browser to go to TechMajesty.com. Once we are on this website, we will place an order for the TechMajesty SIM. Over here, simply choose your iPhone model. And then after you choose that, go ahead and click on the Add to Cart button to go through the checkout process to complete your order. Shipping is free, and we ship out the same day you place your order. You will receive the TechMajesty SIM in the mail within 2 to 3 business days after we ship it. So, now that we have the TechMajesty SIM right over here, let's move on to unlocking the phone. I have an Xfinity Mobile locked iPhone X and I would like to use T-Mobile on it. As you can see, Xfinity Mobile is listed at the top left-hand corner of the screen, and it is working on this iPhone. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert my T-Mobile SIM card into this phone to show you guys that it is locked to Xfinity. Here's the Xfinity Mobile SIM card. Here's the T-Mobile SIM card. So here's the SIM not supported message, which basically means that this phone is locked to Xfinity. Now let me show you how to instantly unlock this phone using the TechMajesty SIM. So the first step is to get the TechMajesty SIM and slide it into your SIM tray. Just like that. Then you will go ahead and get your new carrier SIM card, T-Mobile in this case, place it right on top, then insert the SIM tray back into the iPhone. Then in the second step, you will go through the activation process. You will either connect to your Wi-Fi connection or your cellular data connection. I already have Wi-Fi connected, so I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. In the third step, the phone will automatically redirect to the home screen and you will instantly start getting signal from your new carrier. As you can see, T-Mobile is listed at the top left-hand corner of the screen, so the unlock worked perfectly. So now guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you another carrier working on this iPhone. So this time around, we are going to use an AT&T SIM card. So we're going to go through the same process. Let me insert that into the phone, and we will get the SIM not supported message in just a second. So here's the SIM not supported message again with the AT&T SIM card. Now let me unlock this phone again using the TechMajesty SIM. Here's the TechMajesty SIM again. I'm going to do the same thing. Slide it into the SIM tray. get the SIM card from the carrier, AT&T in this case, insert it back into the iPhone, go through the activation, and as you can see, AT&T is listed at the top left hand corner of the screen, so the unlock worked perfectly. So guys, it's as simple as that to instantly unlock your iPhone using the TechMajesty SIM and to start using it with any GSM carrier in the US or internationally of your choice. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.